Super cheesy corn with wheat garlic chips. Doesn't it sound interesting? So let's jump right into the video. First thing you need to do is take your whole wheat flour in a bowl and add your salt and Italian spice mix to it. Mix it up all well and gradually start adding your water because we need to form it into a soft dough. Once the dough is formed, just let it rest aside. Now for the sauce, fry your flour with some butter and let it cook. For a good sauce, your flour needs to be well cooked. Gradually start adding your milk to it and whisk it up all well to get rid of all the lumps. Add salt and remove it from the heat. Now to cook your corn, in a pan take some butter and throw in your corn. For some flavoring, I have used minced garlic in this recipe. Add salt and your sauce. Mix it up all well. Finally comes your cheese and obviously be generous with it. Use as much as you want. For some extra flavoring, my Italian spice mix. This is room temperature softened butter with some minced garlic. Take 1/4 part of the dough and cover it up all with flour. Just roll it into thin sheets. Trim the edges so that you'll end up with a rectangular piece of. Further cut it into triangular shapes. Obviously it doesn't need to be perfect. Just put it on heat and apply our butter garlic that we just prepared to it. Be generous. Just turn it around and repeat the procedure. Cook it on the medium to low flame and enjoy, and I hope you like the recipe.